We just cut it right down the center. So we got 16 inches wider, and I got a might as well syndrome. Like, we cut it in half again the long way, and it stretched 3 inches. So now it's the world's widest and longest Toyota Hilux with a Powerstroke in it. I'm Josh Mozerolle of Vague Industries, and I brought my 1978 Toyota Widelux pickup truck. It's got a 7.3L Powerstroke in it. It's sitting on 2006 Crown Vic police car suspension, front and rear. When we saw that Holley was doing a Ford Fest, we had to be part of it because we support everything that Holley does, and we saw an opportunity here to take a bunch of like recycled, reused, scrap metal parts and this old wore out Powerstroke Ford pickup and slap it all together, and we built this whole truck with a tube chassis and everything in 1 month. You know, the last couple of days were basically sleepless nights, and we jumped in the truck. As soon as we got it done, the test drive was literally from New Hampshire to Kentucky. And we only had to stop once in Scranton, Pennsylvania, so that we could put a couple of tack welds on the steering column U-joint. And then our chase car, because we had too many people coming with us, we took another vehicle. Our chase car in Cleveland, we stopped at a shop to put new tie rods on it. But other than that, it was pretty much trouble-free. And this thing boogies for a more or less stock 7.3 Powerstroke. We were trying to decide what we're going to do about the wide body kit. And like, I've got my other truck's wide body all digital, and I could just print another one out. You know, every time I wreck it, I print another panel out. But we just thought that was not original enough. So instead of building flares for this, we just cut it right down the center. We were supposed to widen it 18 inches, but it ended up being 16 because Fat Eric can't do math. And so we got 16 inches wider, and I got a might as well syndrome. Like, I'm in here, I might as well do that, might as well paint this. And we cut it in half again the long way, and it stretched 3 inches. So now it's the world's widest and longest Toyota Hilux with a Powerstroke in it. We got a TS6 tuning module. It's basically got 6 positions on it, so we can have like fuel economy and roll coal and performance mode, and like that's what everybody wants to see. You just want to see us roll coal. But we've got a CTS2 module mounted on the dash. This truck actually has gauges. It does not have a fuel gauge, and tell me how hard it is to bleed a diesel on the side of the highway in the middle of the night. We're a grand champion competitor, and we're getting ready to shred. We're going to do some autocross and drag race and bingo run, and who knows what else we get into if it lasts. Yeah, I'm so glad to be back. Every event that Holley's ever done that I've been to has just been top shelf, and I just love participating in it. It's fun. It boogie's pretty good. It's a shredder. It's a fun pickup.
Hey guys, we got a vote on this.